Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple cider syrup is one of my favorite ways to celebrate the fall and bring a little fall twist to regular meals that I eat, especially breakfast. My favorite thing to put the apple cider syrup on is Dutch Baby. I'm so sorry if you can hear my son playing in the background. This is a regular Saturday, but I thought I would take the time to teach you how to make this turn into this. Let's get started. So I'm gonna take this apple cider that I got from the grocery store and boil it down until it's thicker. I like to use these bottles. I got this one from Aldi. It was a lemonade bottle, but you can find them at all kinds of different places. I'm not sure if this particular kind of apple cider is going to be rich enough in flavor, so I might end up adding some extra cinnamon or something like that. But the last two times I made this recipe, what was in the cider was enough. So I'll just give you a quick peek at that label so you can sort of see what it's made of. It's pretty simple. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the cider and then I'm gonna turn this to a medium-high simmer, somewhere around 7, and just let it sit there for a few hours. All right, so I've had it on 6 for a while, probably a little too high. Turn it down just a tad. Now that it's sort of rolling, it doesn't really need to be too high. It smells amazing. See already how much it has evaporated. It is 7:10, so it's been about 2 hours. It just doesn't look like it's as sweet when it's hot like this. It's really hard to tell, and it's a pretty thin syrup. I'll show it to you after. And you can already see how adding that little bit of extra sugar has raised the boiling point. Isn't that crazy? So it just started to bubble again, which is something I wasn't seeing and kind of surprised me. So I feel good about this. Ladies and gents, it's been a long day, but I am committed to showing you how this, I almost just touched this cast iron pot. That's how long of a day it's been, okay? I'm sorry. Anyway, committed to showing you how this has turned out. I love the white pot for this, so you can see how much has evaporated. The next step is a little bit dicey because I need to funnel this stuff into some jars, and I like to use glass jars, so I don't really want it to crack. Okay, so it is the next day. I've allowed it to cool, and now I'm going to load them up. I need to go ahead and make dinner, but I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and this tutorial on how to make apple cider syrup. I would love to know some of the things that you think you should put it on. I love to put it on Dutch Baby, and I am hoping to make a video for you guys for that soon. As you can hear, my son is calling me, so I'm gonna let it go. But thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and keep embracing beauty in your everyday life. Bye.